latest.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Here we are at the Rocket City Weather Fest in Huntsville, Alabama. There's a whole lot to see, a whole lot to do. Probably going to break this up into different pieces, do a summary video. Check out everything in the Rocket City Weather Fest playlist right here on Ham Shack TV. So without further ado, let's check it out. The mobile Doppler. Meteorological mesonet. Instruments up there. One more storm chasing vehicle. See the equipment right back there. Microwave antenna. Live shot. You can see where the mast would push that up. GoPro. We always use a bag to put stuff in.
Want to show little bro how to do it?
What's this? This is a poster of the GOES satellite.
Oh, GOES, yes. I'll take that. GOES satellite poster.
Oh, cool.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, Greg. Are you kidding me? I remember when that picture was taken. I never thought it would be on that. Wow.
No autographs.
No autographs. No pictures.
No pictures.
That's awesome.
Sign for that.
I know. Where's my waiter? They did ask us, though. I'll give you that.
Yeah.
George, I forgot your last name. I knew it was an S.
I don't know. I know, exactly. So we're not trying to get too much time for that.
Exactly, my share of that there. So I'm dead as live roast eating.
And so I'm more so
You guys, before you're not Chattanooga, but you're like west of it, or
Yeah,
that's where you centered or something.
we are in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee.
Lawrenceburg.
Yeah, and then we cover the western half of the Huntsville market, and then southern middle Tennessee.
Oh, yeah, we're from Knoxville, so
I got it. Well, we have an affiliate up there now.
Mike.
We're doing a deal where, Mike Witcher.
yeah.
He's our affiliate up
I'm
there.
friends with him.
Good.
You worked with him.
Yeah.
Good,
I
good.
worked at Channel 10.
Good to hear that. Yeah, he's our Knoxville, Chattanooga affiliate
you're
on
on
the new
Roku
National
now.
Weather Network.
You're on Roku now.
Yes, sir.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Yeah, that's our main
I got
source
you.
of viewing was Roku now. So.
I got you.
When
Is that live or is that just a recording?
That's the live output.
Okay.
when things come down, I'm not
Okay.
James actually shouted me all out pretty good in this thing.
Oh, we mentioned this? Okay.
Talking about your top platform. Ron Burgundy thing.
Ben will be happy to hear that. Good deal.
When things come down, I'll come back and we'll
All right.
get y'all in.
All right. Where's my wife?
It's almost impossible.
Oh, she gets claustrophobic too. So.
Yeah, it would be impossible for me to interview anybody.
Yeah.
Right now it's too loud. Hey, that looks familiar.
Yeah. Oh, that? Oh.
I think so. Pretty sure. Looks like a mini three.
It's a DJI.
So these guys look like they're similar to Tennessee Valley Weather.
So Alabama Stormtroopers.
Yeah.
Fighting in Tennessee in Knoxville. And we're part of the ham radio group up there. And I came up with a sheet, borrowed it from a TV station in Bowling Green.
Okay.
So borrowed the content, but yeah, this is nice. I like that. Yeah, it's just a single sheet, front and back, I think.
So y'all came down just for this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Second one.
Yeah, we did this a couple of years ago. Yeah. Apparently we're famous, so
Oh, that's you?
that's us in the background. But yeah, we came out here a couple of years ago and did it.
Okay. Let me just say up front, this might go sideways. This might go right down the tubes. Let me say up front, I do not like to talk about me. I'm about as interesting as your left shoe. All right? But the point of this, along the way, it's maybe where you can learn a few trinkets that you can take away. If you are a weather professional, if you're a practitioner like I am, if you forecast the weather, maybe you're just a hobbyist and you're a weather. Listen, if anybody's in this room on a Saturday morning at 10 o'clock, you're a weather weenie, okay? I've been doing this a long time. And if you disagree, please raise your hand. Let's talk. There's no skill that a specific forecast beyond 7 to 10 days. If you're good, if you can do a specific forecast up to 15, 20, 50 days, write a paper. Present that peer-reviewed paper at an AMS conference so we can learn from you, okay? Listen, really, I'm serious. If you got this down, go for it. Let us teach us, all right?
So it's the most direct deaths since Katrina. Yeah, this year will be the 20 years anniversary, by the way. And then most freshwater fatality in the U.S. since Agnes, 1972. Something surprising to you guys maybe is the wind damage. So this is 65 just next to me on fatalities. So that's actually break the record even longer. So that's the break the record since 1963. So that's.
I don't talk about explanation. I'm Sean Grant. I'm assistant professor here at UAH in the Department of Atmospheric Neuroscience.
I'm Grace Mello. I'm the morning meteorologist at White 31 News. Hi everyone, my name is Christina Amiat, and I'm a meteorologist with National Weather Service here in Elsa. Hi, my name is Abby King. I'm a senior atmospheric scientist and Ripley at CFP Research. Hello, everybody. I'm Danielle Dozier, the Chief Meteorologist at News 19 here in Huntsville. What do I do every day? So I get in first thing, I spend a couple hours forecasting. After that, I start to build graphics. So the first half of my day is very scientific, right? I'm analytical, I'm looking at numbers. How can I take this high-level scientific data and then get it to you in an easy, digestible, and very efficient way? And then the second half of my day is actually being on camera. So that's more the creative part, and we're laughing and we're talking and we're making it a little more personal. After we get off air, which I'm on camera for 3.5 to 4.5 hours a day, depending on the day. After that, there's other opportunities. So I have an Advanced Visit, which is like a science explainer segment that I do, and we talk about condensation and why we're warmer when we have clouds at night and everything under the sun. I also have Grace's Girls Club, which is like one of my newest pet projects that celebrates women in STEM. So I find local women in our area, I interview them, talk to them about their field and exactly how they got to where they are today, very similar to what we're doing now, and then publish that on the news for the next generation, just to kind of see what's available to them and what they'd like to be one day. And then appearances, I get to go to the trash canvas games and say, oh my gosh, it's 95 and sunny, but you should still come out today. And the casino garden and all kinds of other things, which for me is kind of when it comes to life, is getting to meet all of you. Everyone says, you must be so nervous, we're in a camera. But you're not, because the camera has federal emotions, it's not there. But when I get to see you, that's when it comes to life, you know, and I finally get to put names and faces to the job that we do every day. How did I get started? I was more the academic track. I kind of came in backdoor into weather. So I was very, very physics heavy. I wanted to be an eye doctor. Chemistry had other ideas for me. So instead I took the physics track and fell in love with that. At the time, my brother was at Mississippi State, which is where I ended up going. And he said, you know, I have some friends that are in the meteorology department, and I think they do a lot of physics. And I thought, okay, well, let me get connected with them. And so we talked and they said, oh my gosh, you're gonna love it. And then there's this thing called thermodynamics, which is like math and physics, and you're just gonna have a ball, which was true. And after kind of choosing the academics of it, then the love of weather came just after that. I do a lot of shadows, internships, things like that, and I would heavily recommend that regardless of what field you're going to. Kind of see what's available, make sure it's something that you're interested in, and then chase after it.
All right, so the first question was a little bit about what we do every day. So I usually get in early afternoon and I look at the forecast, I make graphics, I read things on TV, and I'm a part of the SWIRLL meeting. As a chief meteorologist, I have to be in there to give the daily weather briefing and update everybody on where we think weather should go into show and make sure we know if it's an important weather day, whether we're going to get out with weather. So that's part of it as well. And I'm also somebody who's going to make the radio forecast as well, and we update our blog and our weather forecast discussion every day, so that's also a part of it. And that's kind of the day-to-day, and then we're on from 4 to 5, 5 to 5:30, 6 to 7, 9 and 10. That's my role Monday through Fridays, evenings. And the shows that we do, so it's what I do on a daily basis. And also just like Grace, we do a lot of extracurricular things outside of just what we do on a day-to-day, which for me, we do a segment called Remarkable Women that I was a part of as well, just highlighting women's roles in the community. Weather Wednesdays, I get to be out in the summer and do weather on location and just talk to some amazing people out there about what they do in their community and bring community events to life. And soccer games, trash canvas games, those kinds of things. Yeah, we make appearances and do weather at as well. So that's kind of what goes into it. And community events like these. We love doing these. We love going out to schools and talking to the kids about weather and bringing science to them. And then tours, people will come to the studio as well. So that's also a part of it if you do get to broadcast meteorology. And then how I got into it, I'm old, so like I watched Twister back in the mid-90s, and that's how I really got into weather. Getting my age away, I was a kid when Twister came out, but yeah, I really love that movie, and it's all Helen Hunt, and I said I really want to storm chase one day, so weather became a passion of mine growing up in Virginia Beach, and then I got a degree from UNC Asheville first, and then I did a broadcast internship while I was at my college. And was very fortunate enough to get a job in TV. I started in Abilene, Texas, was there for 4 years, moved to Oklahoma City, was a storm chaser for my TV station in Oklahoma City for 3 years, as well as a broadcast meteorologist there. And then from there, I was at Indianapolis for 3, Pittsburgh for 3, and Huntsville for almost 4 years. So I've been in the business for about 18. Yeah.
You're gonna launch it up there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You wanna go in there?
You walk behind them.
All right. Okay.
You do the same thing. We did that. Hopefully you're getting my good side.
Yeah, we'll try.
With my hair all over the place, there's not really a good side.
Right. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me here at the Rocket City Weather Fest. Go and look at the long form videos in the Rocket City Weather Fest playlist right here on Ham Shack TV. They'll be posted there. We'll have the full James Spann seminar. We'll have the careers in meteorology webinar full in there as well, along with the Hurricane Helene video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. 73 AA4WX WSEB 693.